Hello guys. So ito, pauwi na nga kami. Isang feature na maganda rito sa Tundra guys is the auto dimming side mirror. Kita nyo yan guys, medyo nag-blackish siya ng konti kasi naaninag niya yung headlight ng sumusunod sa amin. So yan ang kagandahan dito. So for me as a driver, it lessen the glare na direkta sa mata ko pag lumilingon ako sa side mirror na yan. So yan, isa sa feature ng Tundra Platinum. So guys, just updating you of the features of this truck. It's really nice. And again, the wiper, look at that. I'm not using the wiper, but the rain is just, you know, flowing back towards the top rooftop. So nice too. But then ang kagandahan din dito, once switch on ka ng wiper, it's rain sensing. Pag kahit na ilalagay ko lang siya sa intermittent, so yan guys, so mabagal lang siya, no? Naka intermittent yan. But once the rain is dropping much like faster, it will adapt to how fast is the rain too. Hindi ko siya sinet sa faster moving. Ayan, as you see, it start to get faster because of that very sensitive mechanism, electronics. So ang ganda ng rain sensing wiper ng Tundra din. So it's very sensitive. Look at that, it's getting faster now, though it is set into intermittent mode. And I think just number 2, so not that fast really kung regular lang ang drip ng rain. So yan guys, update lang ng features nito.